Hi guys, I'm back with another recipe. Today we're making salmon cakes. The ingredients are as follows. I'm using 2 cans of salmon. Of course you could use fresh, but this is what I have. The reason why I'm using 2 cans is because later tonight we'll be having it for dinner, and then tomorrow I'm gonna have the kids have it for lunch. We also have Panko breadcrumbs. I also have mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I have minced onions. I used my food processor for this process, but of course you could use your box grater or you can just finely mince it with your knife. I also have potatoes here. You could use your leftover potatoes, but since I don't have leftover potatoes, I got 2 medium-sized potatoes, boiled them, and then mashed it with salt, pepper, and a little butter. I also have oil, salt, pepper. Okay, so let's get cooking. Okay, so I just drained the water out of the 2 cans of salmon and I removed the bones. But of course, you could just add the bones for extra calcium, but I prefer not to have bones on my salmon cake. So these are the 2 cans of drained my onion, and this is just 1 onion. I'm gonna add my mashed potatoes. I'm gonna add egg, just 1 egg. One-4 cup of Panko breadcrumbs and 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I'm also just gonna add a little pepper and salt. Remember, I added salt and pepper already on my mashed potatoes. And just a little salt. There you go guys. All I'll be doing here is just mix the ingredients together. And then just before I fry it, I'm just gonna leave it in the refrigerator to incorporate it well. This is a very lovely lunch or dinner for the family. Normally, I would serve this with tartar sauce, but since this is a very rich and heavy dish, I'm just gonna serve it with a sprinkle of lemon on top when it's done frying. Okay, and by the way, I added another 1/4 cup of Panko breadcrumbs. There you go guys. So in total, I used 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs and 2 cups of canned salmon, and then 1 egg, 2 medium potatoes that I mashed. I also used 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Using my hot griddle for cooking or for frying our salmon cake. I'm just gonna add some oil and then just scatter the oil all over. There you go. And then with clean hands, I'm just gonna mold my salmon cake into patties. And it's totally up to you what size you want your patties to be. So there you go. I'm going to show you that the first side or the other side is already cooked. It took me 5 minutes, and then I just flipped the other side over, and I'm going to do it for another 5 minutes. And I just want to tell you the beauty of using a griddle for this dish, because it doesn't take a lot, or it doesn't use a lot of oil. I just put about 2 tablespoons of it and just scattered the oil using my paper towel. But there you go guys, it's healthy and easy. And there you go guys, this is my version of salmon cakes. I hope you give this a try and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.